Today I'm going to share my review of the M1 AI Phone Assistant, an AI powered virtual receptionist designed to help businesses handle their calls smarter. If you've ever missed an important call or struggled to keep your work and personal lines separate, this app might be exactly what you need. So, what does M1 actually offer? First, it comes with an intelligent voicemail receptionist that adapts to your caller's needs. Instead of generic voicemails, your clients feel like they're actually speaking to a real assistant. Next, it provides detailed call summaries and follow ups, automatically turning calls into actionable notes and to do lists. Another great feature is the second business number, which allows you to separate work from personal life while maintaining professionalism. Many users report that M1 transforms their communication workflow. Instead of juggling calls, notes, and follow ups, the app automates it all. Entrepreneurs and small business owners often describe M1 as a game changer, and some professionals, like financial and tax advisors, say it's become a must have tool for staying organized and responsive. Now, let's talk about pricing. M1 offers a 7-day free trial, so you can test the service risk free. After that, it's $29.99 per month or $199.99 annually, which is quite reasonable compared to hiring a live receptionist. Plus, you can download the app directly from the Apple App Store. Overall, M1 is best suited for entrepreneurs, small businesses, or professionals who need reliable call handling without the cost of extra staff. It won't replace human interaction completely, but for many, it's like having a digital receptionist in your pocket, keeping you more organized, professional, and efficient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful reviews.